Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a complete walk around, inside and out, of a compact camper van that might completely change the way you look at van life. This is the Sunlight Cliff 540. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why this small van delivers such a big experience. Let's start with the exterior. From the very first look, the Cliff 540 feels modern, clean, and purpose-built. It's not oversized. It's not bulky. At just 17.7 feet long, this van is compact enough to drive daily, yet capable enough for serious adventures. The body lines are smooth and aerodynamic. The proportions are balanced. And built on the trusted Fiat Ducato chassis, it has a solid, confident stance on the road. Under the hood, you get a 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine producing 140 horsepower. That means strong low-end torque, smooth highway cruising, and efficient long-distance travel. With front-wheel drive, handling feels stable and predictable. Whether you're navigating city streets or mountain highways, this van feels controlled and composed. The overall height sits at 8.5 feet, manageable for most roads and parking areas. And if you choose the optional pop-top roof, the height increases slightly to 9.2 feet, while dramatically increasing sleeping capacity. Speaking of the pop-top, when closed, it keeps the van sleek and compact. When opened, it transforms the living space completely. Now let's step inside. As soon as you enter the cabin, you immediately notice smart space utilization. Everything feels intentional. To your side, you'll find a compact yet practical kitchen setup. There's space for cooking, prepping meals, and organizing essentials. The counter space is efficiently designed, and storage compartments are built right into the layout. Above, overhead cabinets provide clean storage without making the space feel cramped. Below, hidden compartments help keep your gear organized. This isn't about luxury overload. It's about intelligent design. Moving toward the rear, you'll find the main sleeping area. This bed is designed to comfortably sleep two adults. It stretches across the width of the van, maximizing available space. After a long day of exploring, hiking, or driving, this becomes your private retreat. The rear doors can be opened to create an open-air feel. Imagine waking up to a mountain sunrise or a quiet lakeside view. That's the beauty of a camper like this. Now, if you add the optional pop-top roof, the Cliff 540 transforms into a four-person camper. The upper sleeping area provides additional space without permanently increasing the van's size. You simply pop it open when parked, creating extra headroom and sleeping capacity. And when it's time to drive, it folds back down seamlessly. That flexibility makes this van incredibly versatile. Let's talk about practicality. With a gross vehicle weight rating of 3,500 kilograms, the Cliff 540 feels stable and planted on the road. It's built for travel, not just weekend parking. The 16-gallon diesel fuel tank ensures solid driving range, making long road trips easier and more efficient. And because it's compact, parking in cities or tight campsites feels manageable, not stressful. This van truly bridges the gap between daily driver and adventure vehicle. It's perfect for couples, ideal for weekend explorers, and even practical for small families when equipped with the pop-top. But more than the specs, more than the measurements. What makes the Sunlight Cliff 540 special is the lifestyle it enables. Picture this. You're driving along the coastline. You find the perfect sunset spot. You park. Step inside. Prepare dinner. No reservations. No schedules. No limits. Or imagine waking up in the mountains, brewing coffee inside your van, and stepping outside into fresh morning air. That's freedom. And that's what this camper is built for. The Sunlight Cliff 540 proves something important. You don't need the biggest motorhome on the road to live the biggest adventures. You just need smart design, reliable engineering, and the freedom to move whenever you choose. Compact on the outside, comfortable on the inside, and ready for wherever the road takes you next. If you enjoyed this full interior and exterior tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth camper van reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.